In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a GoodNotes digital planner in Canva to sell. We'll walk through designing your pages, building clickable navigation, and exporting everything so your links work perfectly in GoodNotes. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar, type planner or notebook cover to gather inspiration. You'll see lots of layouts and styles to spark ideas. Use these as a starting point, but modify them significantly, so your final planner is truly original and suitable for selling. Think of templates as a framework you'll customize with your own colors, fonts, layouts, and page elements. Next, create your core pages. Begin with a cover that clearly represents the theme of your planner. Then design monthly overviews, weekly spreads, and daily trackers. You can pull in Canva's planner templates to speed things up, then adjust spacing, headings, and accents, so each page feels cohesive. As you build, keep readability front and center. Use clear headings, adequate line spacing, and simple shapes for lists and checkboxes. Consistency is key, so lock in a font pair and a color palette early and apply them across all pages for a professional, unified look. Now add navigation tabs. These are the clickable labels that help users jump between sections in GoodNotes. Create simple shapes or text boxes positioned along the side or top edge of your pages. Label them with sections like months, weeks, and days, or specific month names if your planner is dated. Make sure the tabs are placed in the same spot on every page so the experience feels seamless. To make the tabs clickable, select a tab, shape, or text box. On the floating toolbar, click the More icon with the 3 dots and choose Link. Under Pages in this document, pick the exact page number you want that tab to jump to. Test a few to confirm they're pointing to the right spot. Once one page's tabs are correctly linked, copy and paste that set of tabs onto your other pages. This ensures your navigation is consistent throughout the entire planner, without rebuilding links from scratch. When you are ready to export, download your design as a PDF standard. This format preserves hyperlinks. Image formats like PNG or JPG will not. Finally, import your PDF into the GoodNotes app and tap through every tab to confirm the links work smoothly before you list it for sale. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.